Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default microphone on OBS using your PC. So you can go to Scene and you can select your microphone on here. You can double click it and you can just go to the device and you can change it to whatever you want. So you got default. I just choose my Blue Yeti right there. Now there's something in the settings that we can change too. Let's go to File Settings and then go down to Audio. And then we have the global audio devices. We got the desktop audio. We can have different microphones for each one. So we can choose the desktop audio and do something different. And then we got the microphone auxiliary audio. I have my Blue Yeti selected. And then we got auxiliary mic audio 2, 3, and 4. So if we want to run 2 or 3 different microphones for whatever reason, maybe we're doing like a podcast or something like that, we can do that. Then if we want to add additional mics, go to the plus icon, go to audio input capture, and create new. So let's do like Blue Yeti, and then go to OK. Then I can choose my device default under here. This is an easy way to add like your capture card audio too if you want to do that. But let's go to my Blue Yeti. Go to OK. And you can see I have it in here now. And then here's the other audio. I got 2 microphones added in here. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.